Hey mamas, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Danielle Naomi. In today's video, as you can see from the title, we'll be doing this super easy, quick, glueless wig install with this unit from Nadula hair. This wig is their 150 density 13 by 4 curly lace frontal wig. It is in 20 inches and we are loving this. This is definitely fall vibes, like give you edge. Like this hair is so cute. It is definitely all year round type of hair. Like this hair is stunning. If you'd like to purchase this wig, the wig links will be in the description box for you to do so. I'm gonna stop rambling because I need to hurry up and leave the house, and I will see you guys in my next one. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to stay tuned to the end. Don't forget to subscribe and follow my social medias. My Instagram is at she's your fave, and let's jump into the tutorial. Okay, so I had to take off that black shirt because I just feel like that dark does not give this hair justice. Okay, so now I have on like a charcoal gray shirt, so it shows up the black in the hair a bit more, and I'm loving this. So this wig is from Nadula. They sent me their 150 density 13 by 4 curly lace front wig. It is in 20 inches. I'm definitely feeling these short inches for the fall. I'm loving it. It's giving bob without having to do too much. It's giving naturally curly. And what I did to get my hair as big as this after diffusing was to literally just shake. I just shook and I shook and I shook and I shook and I shook, and boom, this hair looks like this. It looks absolutely stunning. It's gorgeous. And if you know about like the diva cut, you could like go in, give this hair some more dimension so it's even bigger if you're like the big hair type. But this is it for me. I love me some defined sexy curly hair. It's just like really controlled. I love that. Like, it just gives, she went ahead and finger coiled each curl, coil for a coil, and voila. Like, I'm loving this. It's giving vibes. I'm really liking it, really obsessed. And if you'd like to purchase, the links will be in the description box for you to do so. Nadula, we did that. Like, look at this wig, so gorgeous. 20 inches of niceness, and it's not super thick to where you're gonna be sweating on your neck, back, hair tangling up. It's really easy breezy, ready to go. This tutorial took me some time because I had to put my glasses on. You know, I had to do the thing. But child, let me just tell you, this wig, she is it, honey. Okay, period. So again, if you would like to purchase, the links will be in the description box for you to do so. Thank you, Nadula, for sending me this gorgeous wig. I am so obsessed, and I will see you all in my next one.